I think I can. Learn to say that you can do something in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1-2 टेबल स्पून। आप सबको बहुत
Hey everyone, this is day 21 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Our vocabulary for today is can, in the sense of being able to do something. I can. Can in Hindi is suck, 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 suck. Can. Yes, I can do something. And we'll show you how to use that to create sentences with the grammatical structure that you're already familiar with, to be able to say not only I speak Hindi, but I can speak Hindi. All right, our second vocabulary word for today is karna, 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 which means to do. Now this is a verb, and again we have that na ending, so we'll normally drop that na ending and be left with the root of the verb, which is kar, 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 to do, karna. Our verb is karna, to do. Our final vocabulary word of the day is kuch, 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 which means something. Kuch, kuch, something. All right, our grammar key for today is मैं कुछ करता हूँ. मैं कुछ करता हूँ. Or if we're speaking as a female, मैं कुछ करती हूँ. मैं कुछ करती हूँ. And what we're saying here is I do something. How did we get that? Let's break it down. मैं, I, kuch, something. Karta is from our verb karna, which means to do. We've dropped that na ending and we've added our tense ending. So the present tense ending for the masculine is ta, and the present tense ending for the feminine is ti when we're using मैं in the personal present tense, right? So मैं कुछ करता हूँ. I do something, right? मैं कुछ करती हूँ. I do something, speaking as a woman. Now we're going to also add this new construction that we've learned. We're going to make a new construction using suck, which means can. And that suck is going to go right there in the middle of our verb, between our verb root and between our verb ending. Okay, so this is how it works. मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ, right? मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ. I can do something. And that is how I would say it speaking as a man, but if you are female, you would say मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ. मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ. And we're saying I can do something. I can do something, right? So this was different from our previous grammar key, which you didn't really learn anything new. We just used a new verb to be able to say I do something. But now with suck, we are able to say I can do something, right? And we can plug this into the middle of any verb that we've already learned and that we're already familiar with. So let's go ahead and move on to then drilling this and really understanding it more deeply. All right, let's spend a minute or two drilling this. मैं कुछ करता हूँ. मैं कुछ करता हूँ. मैं कुछ करती हूँ. मैं कुछ करती हूँ. I do something. And again, there's nothing new here except for the verb that we've learned. We're not using that suck. We're simply saying I do something, not that I can do something. To how we would say I can do something is the next sentence, which is मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ. मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ, or मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, if I'm speaking as a woman. I can do something, right? I can do something. मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ, if I'm speaking as a man. And if I were speaking as a woman, I would say, मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ. All right? I can speak Hindi. I can speak Hindi. मैं अंग्रेजी समझ सकता हूँ, मैं अंग्रेजी समझ सकता हूँ, मैं अंग्रेजी समझ सकती हूँ, मैं अंग्रेजी समझ सकती हूँ. I can understand English. I can understand English. मैं हिंदी पढ़ सकता हूँ, मैं हिंदी पढ़ सकता हूँ, मैं हिंदी पढ़ सकती हूँ, मैं हिंदी पढ़ सकती हूँ. I can read Hindi, or I can study Hindi, right? We'll remember that padna has two meanings, either to read or to study. I can read Hindi. I can study Hindi. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us for another day of 30-day Hindi challenge. This is day 21, only a few days left. I hope you're enjoying it. Continue to follow me on social media and share this with your friends. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you back here tomorrow.